accept the point that the member is making, but would he also accept that for many small investors, they were actually misled, and the Gloucester report shows this, they were actually misled by the advice they were given by people in FCA who indicated that the company was covered by the FCA, therefore they were guaranteed £85,000 if the firm went bust, and yet that information was wrong. So some people did make an investment decision, an informed investment decision, on the wrong information supplied by the regulatory agency.
It will be appalled at the regulator's performance here. Not just the number of complaints about LCF and the lack of joined-up thinking within the FCA. And this was some years down the line when this happened, after Andrew Bailey had taken over the FCA, and he knew there were problems right at the start. But the fact that there was no joining of the dots, and there was these clear allegations of inappropriate conduct within LCF. And the IFA who actually drew attention to it, of course, a very competent person. It wasn't simply somebody who raised an issue saying, I don't like this company. This is an IFA, Neil Eversage, who wrote to the FCA, setting out exactly what was going wrong about the designation of unsophisticated investors as sophisticated, the encouragement to put themselves sophisticated, and where some of the investments were going. It was pretty clear what the problem was at LCF, and the FCA failed to act. It's simply unacceptable. So that's why I do welcome the compensation. My point was, it still has to be down to investors to make an educated decision, and certainly my constituent and others I've seen could see that this was this wasn't a government gilt you're investing in. There was obviously some risk attached.
And it's grateful.